Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nails channel. I am Steffi Fernandez, and in today's video I'll be doing a hack that I wanted to try for a while, but we'll try maybe 2 versions. So yes, let's get cracking. Right, so first things first, we're going to have to apply some pigments onto the stamper itself before we actually apply any sort of acrylic color on top of it. I've taken one of the sponge applicators, and I'm just going to apply pigment directly onto the stamper, just like that. Just work it in, properly work it in. And I can do a few colors really, but I'm just gonna go with 3 or 4 for this one. Let's go with, what other colors do you think we should use, Lucy?
Ooh, you could do like a pink.
A pink.
Pink or a blue.
Yeah, could do that. Ooh, there's a lot of squeaky noises here. They love to follow you and me. So I'm going to go in with pink. Oh, that is stunning. Let me just get a little bit more pink. I feel like the orange is overtaken a little bit. So pink. And then probably we're going to do purple, right? Because it just looks like it fits after this, right? What do you reckon?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, what am I doing? I put it wrong. Uh-oh. Okay. So back to where we were. I'm going to put this in.
Very squeaky.
And now we're going to go in for purple. Super excited, me guys. I've never done it, and it looks so nice. So I'm hoping it works. Okay, but we've done the pigments on this stamper. Now I'm gonna try and do 2. When I first saw this hack, I was always kind of just seeing it done with white acrylic paint and a ton of neon pigments. But today I'm going to do this with black acrylic as well as chrome pigments, because I thought it would be fun and probably different, you know. So, and I don't know if it will work, but it might do. So I'm gonna do it at the same time, and we can kind of see how both turn out at the end. So I'm going to work some of our chrome pigments onto the stamper and pray that it works. So I'm going in with the other side. So I'm gonna take that, just work it onto the stamper just like that. That's such a pretty color. Are you getting that, Lucy?
I am getting all that goodness.
All that goodness. So this one is called Burgundy. It's beautiful. I'm just working in a lot of color just to make sure that it really picks up with the black. Now, I've not seen the black one done before. I just added a bit of a twist to the normal one, but I bet it will turn perfect. So I'm going to put the blue one on, topaz, not blue. It's kind of bluish or greenish or something. And then I'm going to go in with probably, should I go in with sapphire?
Oh, yeah, that sounds cool, that.
Sounds cool, right? So I'm going to go in with sapphire. Again, put that on here. Look how beautiful that looks.
I know.
I really hope it works out, because I've never seen it done with chrome and black acrylic. So I just thought, why not add a little bit more? Okay, so we've got these colors on. Now, me, without trying to be messy, I'm gonna go ahead and use our, you know what, I've never even used it before, so it's a new one. I'm going to use our spatula and just pick up a little bit of acrylic color on top of it. So I've got some white acrylic paint. Ooh, it's open, brilliant. So I'm going to apply the white on here, just like that. And I'm just going to spread it all over the stamper, just like that. And what we want to do now is wait for it to dry. Okay, so I'm going to do the same with the other one, but I'm just going to take the white off first so it doesn't really mix in. So I'm going to clean that, and then I'm going to take the black acrylic color, which is open as well. I've applied a little bit on the stamper, and now I'm just going to apply it over here. Ooh, I'm so excited. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes, definitely.
Right, so I've applied both, and I'm gonna pop them to the side just so they're nice and dry so we can crack them, because that's what usually happens next. But I'm going to do basically both nails on here. So I've got 2 stiletto tips from our website, full cover. I'm going to be using them today, and Cerise Black is the base. So what I'm going to do now is just apply a couple of thin coats on each nail of Cerise Black, and then I'm going to apply a super thin layer of foil glue. Right, so I think our acrylic has dried a little bit. So what I want to be doing next is basically I've removed the silicone bit out of the stamper, and I'm just going to kind of create those cracks. Do you see what I'm doing, Lucy?
Yes. Yeah.
With the color. Ooh, should have worn gloves for this one. And then I'm going to take the black one as well and do the same thing. Okay. Right, don't laugh at me if it doesn't work, because I've never done it before.
I'll try not to.
Right, so I'm going to take the stamper, and I'm just going to... Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, that's cool.
It actually works.
Yeah.
One sec. Let's do a different kind of stroke somewhere here. Ooh, wait, come off. Please don't ruin my art. Wow.
That is so cool.
That is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
I see why people do it now. I mean, and it's so satisfying. Sorry, I'm just like going to do another one.
Want to do more?
Can I add a little? Wow, that is such a beautiful abstract design.
I know.
Let me do a little bit here. Boom, and that's a different size. How gorgeous is that?
Oh,
Look.
I know. Like such an
That is
easy
just
way of
so
doing it as
beautiful. Well, okay, stop, Eddie. That looks insane. I'm absolutely loving it. Sorry, but okay. I love it. So cool. I always saw it, and I'm like, I need to do it, and I've never done it until today. And like, what a waste of time. Why have I not done it previously? Anyway, let's do this. But let's. Okay. Ooh! I mean, the
cool.
cracks are well smaller, unfortunately, but for some reason, maybe the acrylic is different. You know what I mean? The consistency might be different because of the pigment. So I'm not entirely sure why the cracks are so much smaller. But I love it. What do you think?
Oh, it's so cute. Like,
Let me put some of the pink on as well. We are leaving it out. There we go. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
That is beautiful. Wow. Well, listen, I think we can try the black one again sometime. But the cracks are more visible on the white. I think maybe I should apply more black It's quite a thin layer. Should we try again? What do you reckon?
Yeah, we could try again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try the black one again. Oh, wow. How stunning is this,
no.
man? I can't. One sec. I'm going to try the black one again really quickly off camera, and we'll try roll it again. Right. So take number 2 for the black one. Sorry, guys. My hands are absolutely dirty from all this acrylic, but I'm not gonna lie, it's worth it. It's so worth it. So I'm going to try and crack this. Now look, it does crack slightly better. Some of it is not fully dry as well, but I'm guessing there's 2 things that are different about this in comparison to white. Firstly, black color might be obviously a different formula because, oh, that's sick though. Because obviously of the pigment, so the formula might be different and the consistency won't be the same as white. Secondly, the pigments that we're using with the black are very creamy and satin-like in comparison to the dry powder texture of the neon. So it's one of the 2. It might be the pigment or the consistency of the acrylic color that we're using, but it doesn't crack as well as white. However, I'm still gonna
Oh no.
no what have I done?
Oh no.
I've just ruined my masterpiece. However, it does kind of look cool, whatever is happening here.
Yeah, I think it looks.
Oh no, I just ruined it. Okay, let's try another one. I'm gonna hold this down this time. Lucy, don't laugh. It's not a funny thing. Okay, so we can safely say probably. Let me just press that nail down. We can safely say that it probably works better with neon pigments and white acrylic, and hence I haven't seen black acrylic paint used online, but I had to try it, right? So we've got the 2 black versions over here, and we've got the 1 white version over here. Oh, look at me, I'm making a mess today. I'm going to top coat all 3 for you, and I'll show you what it looks like in the end. That's the final result, guys. Look at this. I mean, you know what? I think they all work. The second, I'm so clumsy, right? Well, anyway, back to our video. The second one is a lot nicer than the first one that we did, 100%, and I do actually love it. The black does not crack as well as the white, however, it is working and it looks insane. And once you put a top coat on the chrome pigment, look at that. Look at that. Can you get that on camera? Zoom in, please.
Zoom in.
Look at that. Look, let me just...
Yes, can see all.
Can you see all the color and the shift of the color? It's sick. It's absolutely stunning. And what's... Oh, God, I can't. It's beautiful. This one is a little bit of a fail, but you know, it's okay. Also looks insane. But yeah, let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite, the neon or the chrome? Or is there any other ways that you guys tried it and I haven't seen? Let me know in the comments below, because I would like to recreate stuff like that. Love abstract and all of that, you know me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all, guys. Thank you for the likes, comments, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you all on the next one. Oh, I don't know why I'm cleaning. Let's continue the video. What the fuck?
I was just like, you're just cleaning everything.
Sorry. But it's not really a cat eye. The one... I swear I put it on... I put it on
naughty.
silent. I'm so sorry.
Take 5.